Some of the things you can find on a late night hike are very interesting. Stumbly guy beelining right towards me as a patrol car slowly encroached. It was not all that interesting. I asked him for directions and to keep his arms straight, reminding him that public intoxication can get you singled out. Town Center Road is that way. In the El Cajon Ant Valley area, ants everywhere is not cool. Finding music playing late at night at the Creation Museum was kind of interesting. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Let's see here. Bible store and tabernacle. There's a dinosaur out front. I'm pretty sure this was a scene in the documentary of Bill Maher's Religious. Are you God? Do you know everything? As space aliens in a different acknowledgement of linear time observe a fastly evolving planet, try to make it right in time. Skip into the atmosphere, they say, and you could make it within such and such decade. 1 year to us is 1 second to him.